Hi Kickstarter, what you've just seen is Boomerang, the first ever all-in-one mountain stand for the iPad. Boomerang combines two of the most common ways in which we use the iPad. It's a superior iPad stand with 3 solid viewing angles, but it can also act as a mounting system to other surfaces with its simple, magnetically detachable mount. See, I'm a big fan of the iPad ever since April 2010 when the first version came out. I loved it, but I wanted more. I wanted to type at just the correct angle. I wanted to slide through my photos with a solid feel as I touch it. I wanted to lose myself in a movie no matter how hard the workout. Then I want to step into my car and use it as a navigation device in one fluid movement as I start the car. I wanted all of this without having to constantly change all the mounts, cases and adapters. I really wanted something as cool as the iPad itself. But switching between these different modes of use is very awkward with today's selection of mounts. Let alone there's not a single one that does 2 things at once. That is why I just couldn't stop thinking about building this thing. The idea came to me when I was working in London as a computer graphics artist, creating visual effects for TV and movie industry. So I had the expertise to visualize and animate things, but I understood immediately that my goals were bigger than I could do alone. Luckily, I had a friend from the Royal College of Art London Design School.
When Uroš first told me about the project, it sounded really exciting, and we started designing almost immediately, trying to do as many prototypes as possible. And we're really lucky to meet loads of really talented people on the way.
I wouldn't be able to do all of this if the idea hadn't spread like a virus. In a matter of months, we had this network formed of engineering students and professionals in areas of advanced plastics, usability, design, and testing.
The X Suite of Boomerang was designed from the ground up, using the very latest in computer and machining technology. This allowed us to build a sleek, thin, and foldable device, without compromising on its sturdiness. We performed stress and crash tests.
Yes, we've gone quite far, but to turn this effort into a success story, we need your help. We need to finish some of the tooling and build a mass production line for the Boomerang and the first 5 mounts. We decided that if you help us reach our goal, we're going to open source the interface so everyone can make or even sell their own mount.